Yeah, good evening all. So before I start, can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in the last class, I was discussing, right, a print about output function in Python. So the separator, what separator you want between X and Y, comma separated, space separated, tab separated, right? 10 gives 20, 10 slash n, right? 110 in one line, 20 in another line, right? Yes. A, B, C, A, comma, B, comma, C, separator equal to comma. Okay. In Python, semicolon, where we use semicolon in other programming language like C or Java, every statement ends with semicolon, right? But in Python, up to now, we have never used semicolon. Where we use semicolon means three statements, three Python statements, A as 10, B as 20, C as 30. Three Python statements, if you want to define within a single line, use semicolon, right? Yes. So here, see the behavior of the print. Prints and goes to the next line, prints and goes to the next line, prints and goes to the next line. It prints and goes to the next lines, right? Yes. Print statement, right? Prints and goes to the next line. Okay. Fine. Now, fine. Now print these two statements you are printing in the same line, semicolon, right? Required compulsory. Yeah, but don't like, even though if you are printing both in same line, right? So if you're defining in the same line, doesn't mean that you will get the output within the same line. No, prints this values, goes to the next line, prints this values and goes to the next line, right? Yes, prints the values and goes to the next line. A, B, C, separator equal to comma. Now print, now try to answer, right? Print, good. Print evening. Print Hyderabad. Print, okay. So first print good evening, you say. Print good and evening. Now the output you will get in 2 lines or 3 lines. Try to answer whether you are going to get in 2 lines or in single line.
2 lines.
2 lines. Good in one line, prints good and goes to next line, prints evening and goes to next line, right? So the output is printed in two different lines. Run module. Good and evening. Okay, good in one. But I want the two print statements output I want within the same line. Observe, two print statements. Think that you got 5 print statements, right? The 5 print statements output in 5 lines it will be printed, but I want within the same line. Here, two print statements outputs I want within the same line, not in 2 lines. So for that, we have got one more functionality, END. END equal to, using what you want to combine, using space or using comma or using tab space, right? Now just say good space evening, good evening, you will get. Okay. Any kind of, see, END equal to using space you want, using tab space you want. Just observe this other one. Without any spaces I want. Okay. Good space evening, good tab evening, good evening, everything in a single word. Good evening, right? Good space evening, good tab evening, good evening, right? Yes. Okay. Now I want, just I'm taking some 3 lines, right? Good. Just observe this. Good evening, Hyderabad. Now try to say these 3 statements. Will you print in 2 lines, 1 line, or 3 lines? Hyderabad. Now try to answer what will be the output in 1 line, 2 line, or 3 lines?
2 line.
2 lines, right? Good evening in 1 line, Hyderabad in another line. Because END is given, right? Good. And this evening will be attached to this Good, right? So good evening as one line, Hyderabad another line, right? But I want good evening Hyderabad as a single word. I want a good evening Hyderabad as a single word. Good evening as one word, Hyderabad as another line. But good evening Hyderabad, I want a single line, right? END equal to space. Good evening Hyderabad, right? Yes, save it. Now we will see run module. Okay, fine. So SCP and END functional, right? SCP instead of END, can I use SCP? Can I using instead of END, can I use SCP functionality? So you need to understand when to go for SCP, when to, SCP, when you are printing multiple variables X, Y, Z, what separator you want between them? Comma separated or space separated or tab separated, what separator you want, right? And END functionality means when you are trying to print multiple print statements, when you are trying to print multiple print statements, right? Yeah. If you want the output everything within a single line, then use END. Okay, fine. Next, coming to this input function. Input function. For accepting input from the user keyboard. For accepting input from the user keyboard. Observe here, X value is 10, X is 10, right? Print X, I'm saying. What is the value it prints? 10. Second time again I execute, prints 10. Third time, prints 10. 10 times I execute, prints 10. But I doesn't want like that. Every execution, every time I print, some different value for X need to be printed. Every time it should print a different value for X. So for that, instead of giving the value directly, input enter value of X. Every time you execute these two statements, every time you will add, it will ask to enter a new value. Whatever value you are entering, that value will be printed. Input enter value of X. Okay, before I go with this, right? F name. Input, enter the first name. Enter the last name. F name, enter the first name. L name, enter the last name. Print F name plus L name. Print F name plus L name, right? Yes. Save it. And run module. Enter the last name, Kumar, right? Output will be like Ajay Kumar, right? But I want space between Ajay and Kumar, right? I want space between Ajay and Kumar.
Separate, sir.
So two ways you can do. Two ways you can add 3 strings, 1 space between them. This is one way. Second way is yes, print F name plus L name, print F name, comma L name, separator equal to space. That is second one. Print F name, comma L name. These 3 by default the separator is space. If you're not specifying any separator, by default it is space separator.
Can we use end statement here, sir?
No.
Okay.
If you want to use END statement, you can do like this. Print F name, print L name. If you want to attach both comma END equal to space, you can do. In this way, you can do. 2 print statements outputs you want in a single line, right? Yes. F name, L name, enter the first name, Ajay. Enter the last name, Kumar. Ajay Kumar, right? That is the output. Okay. Next, one more example, right? Accepting true values from the user keyword and performing addition, right? Yes. accepting two values from the user keyboard, accepting two values from the user keyboard and performing addition. Okay, x equal to input enter value of x. Enter value of x, right? Enter value of x. Input enter value of y. Input enter value of x, input enter value of y. Print x comma type of x, x comma type of x, y comma type of y. Just observe now. Y comma type of y. Print x plus y. Save it. File, save. Enter value of x, enter value of y. Type of x and type of y. Type of, okay, now try to answer if I run this run module. Enter value of x. Enter value of x is what? 10. Enter value of y? 20. Now try to answer, right? What is type of x here, everyone? Type of x, type of
Integer. Integer.
String, you know.
type of x and type of y will be what type?
Integer type.
Observe
String.
carefully here. Observe
String.
carefully here. It is string type. 10 is a string, 20 is a string. So concatenation happened, not addition. Okay, so what has happened? Addition. 1020 concatenation has happened.
Sir, why it is string type?
Okay, why it is string type means yes. So actually 10 is a integer, 20 is a integer, it should be integer type, right? Why it is string means yes. Try to answer this. If I'm assigning 10 to x directly, what type x is? Everyone.
Integer.
Integer type. X equal to 4.5. What is type of x?
Float.
Float type. What type it is?
String.
String.
String type. What type it is?
Boolean.
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 Boolean type. So now you say what type it is. Using input function, you are trying to input some value for x. So always it will be string type only, whether you enter integer value, whether you enter float value, or whether you enter string value. Whatever value you are entering, by default, it is going to take string only. By default, it takes string. Understood, everyone?
Yes.
So input function, whatever you are trying to input using input function, right? Always it is taken as string only. Always it is going to be taken as string only. Okay, here also using input function, you are inputting 10 also taken as string, 20 also taken as string. But observe here, I want integer addition means typecasting. Whatever you are trying to enter taken as string, typecast to integer, say int of, keep everything within the int function. Int is a function. This entire thing you are keeping in the int function. So before you are assigning to x, convert to integer and assign. Before you are assigning to y, convert to integer and assign. All right. Now you observe. Run module. Enter value of x. What type? Enter value of y. Now what type?
Integer.
Both are integers, right? 10, 20, both are integers. Okay, fine. Now they are integers. Sum is 30. Right. File, new file. Accepting customer details. What is that? Accepting customer details. Customer name equal to input, enter the customer name. Enter the customer name. Customer name should be of string type only, right? Yes. Nothing to do. Right. Account number. Account number means what data type? 9 digits or 11 digits. Enter the account number. Account number will be what type? Integer type, right? Yes. So you need to say int of, I need to say int of account number. Yes. So input in account number should be of integer type, right? Yes. Int of I said. Next balance. Balance will be what type? Balance amount. Float, right? It should be a float type. So I need to say float of. So we can typecast to any type, integer or float. Enter the balance amount. Enter the balance amount. Enter the customer name, enter the account number, enter the balance amount. Enter the balance amount, right? Yes. Now here in this is string type, this is integer type, this is float type, right? Yes. Print customer name, comma C name. Print account number. So just I'm keeping a label, right? A label. Customer name, C name, account number, ACC number, right? Yes. Balance. So I want a label. What is okay? You are enter customer name as Ajay, right? For example, I want a label, want customer name, the whatever the value of this. I want a label, account number. So whatever you keep within the string, whatever you keep within the double quotes will be printed as it is, even in the input function also. And enter the customer name is custom. Okay. Whatever you keep within the double quotes, that will be printed as it is in the output screen. Print balance. Balance amount, right? Yes. Save it. Run module. Enter the customer name, account number 3098764, right? Yes. Balance amount 98,76670.40, right? Account number integer type, balance amount float type, customer name string type, right? Okay. Fine. Next, typecasting in Python.
Sir, if we want to write in a single quotes, then what we have to do? We use separate.
See, if you want,
If I want to write in single line,
Hmm.
C name, account, balance, then we have to use separate.
You want to print CNAME, account number, balance in a single line. You can say CNAME, comma, account number, comma, balance. By default, you will get space separator. If you want to print all these three in the same line, you can directly print CNAME, customer name, comma, account number, comma, balance. Both, all the three will be printed. Run module. Enter the customer name. 30987640, right? 80,970.40, right? So you can see Ajay is account number and its balance, everything in the same line. CNAME, comma, account number, comma, balance.
So actually, we can write directly print CNAME like that, no? I mean, my doubt is here we are determining customer name as CNAME. Without doing that, we can print.
Here we are giving CNAME, your whatever you value you are entering, right? That you should assign to CNAME. Whatever value you are assigning for account number, that should be assigned to this. And print only CNAME. But CNAME, if you print, what is that name? Is it a student name or employee name or custom? So I'm keeping a label before it.
Okay. We are using this for name purpose only. We can directly print CNAME also.
Directly if you print CNAME, you will get the value Ajay.
Okay.
The name. But what is Ajay? If you want to say, I want some label before it, label type.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, got it.
This is just like a label, right? Double quotes. Within the double quotes, what you
Yeah,
give.
got it. Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. File, new file. Accepting customer details, right? Okay, next. Typecasting in Python. Typecasting in Python, right? Converting one data type to other type. Converting one data type to other. Case 1. Converting a string to int. Converting a string to int. For example, x equal to 10. Print x comma type of x. What is type of x? Yes, everyone try to answer. Yes, type of x comma type of x. Type of x is what type?
String.
String type.
String type. Convert that string to int. X is a string. To convert to integer, I need to say int of x. X is a string. To convert to integer, I need to say int of x, and whatever result you get stored in y. Print y and type of y. What type?
Integer.
Type of y is what type? Integer. Run module. Now see it. String converting to integer. 10 was a string type converted to integer type. Now case 2. Any string can you convert to integer? Any string can you convert to integer or not?
No.
X is, for example, hello, convert to integer?
No.
You
No.
should type a receipt.
Not possible, right? Yes, I'm keeping this entire thing in comment. So I'm writing a note. Only numerical strings can be converted to integer. Only numerical strings. These are what? Numerical, but these are character strings. Only numerical strings can be converted to okay. Converting a integer to string into to string x equal to 10. Print x comma type of x. Type of x is what type?
Integer.
Integer type. Convert this in x is an integer, convert to string. So we use a function called str of x. X is integer. To convert to string, we say str of x. Now converted to string, store the result in y. Print y and type of y. What type? Yes.
String.
Type of y will be string type. So if you've got any queries, you can ask the queries, right? I can go with multiple examples. So here, you can unmute yourself and you can ask your queries, or you can type in the chart panel. 10 was a integer type converted to string type. Case 3, converting a float to int. Converting a float to int. A float to int means, for example, x equal to 4.5. Can I convert this float to integer?
Yes, sir.
Type of x is float type. If I convert to integer, what will be the integer value?
4.
So yes, x is a float. To convert to integer, I need to say int of x. Store the result in y. So it will just ignore that. See, if it is 4.9,
5.
5.
if it is 4.9,
4. It
4
will
only.
give some.
y comma type of 5. So it will just ignore the decimal parts. It won't consider the decimal parts. If we are converting to integer, right? Observe run module. 4.9 converted to yes. Okay, 4.9 was a float converted to integer. Now case 4, converting a integer to boolean. Converting a integer to boolean, right? Yes. X equal to 1. Print x comma type of x, integer type x comma type of x. X comma type of x is what? Integer type. This integer x is an integer to convert to boolean, bool of x and store the result in y. Y comma type of y. Run module, right? Yes. One is integer converted to boolean type, true. Any integer can you convert to boolean type? One
No.
means true. Okay.
No, sir. Only 1 and 0.
29, can you convert to Boolean?
No.
So only 0 indicates false. Any non-zero value means true. 29 means true, it returns. Observe, 29 is what? Integer converted to true Boolean type. Converted to Boolean type. Okay. For example, x equal to, okay, 1 second, control V. X equal to -6. Can I convert this -6 to Boolean? What type it is? X comma type of X. Yes. Now it is also true only, right? Any negative value, any other than 0, any value, it is true only. -6 also true. Any non-zero value it returns true, right? Yes. For example, okay, now try to say if I got 0.02. Now try to say
True.
true or false.
False.
0.0 is Boolean.
False.
0.02.
Decimal is ignored. False.
So I said only 0 means false. Anything other than 0, any value 0.01 or negative or anything, returns true only. Only 0 indicates false. Case 5. Converting a Boolean to int.
Sir, this example 4 gives true only.
Yeah, example 4 will be true only. Any non-zero value, right? Yes, it happens. Converting a Boolean value to integer. X equal to true. Just observe this output. X equal to true. type of X.
Sir, integer. Int.
So here type of X will be Boolean type. Convert to integer type, right? Int of X, I need to say. Int of X. X is a Boolean type, convert to integer type. Okay, 1 second, give me a second.
Sir, it always written zero.
Converting a Boolean to int, converting a Boolean to int, right? Yes. So yeah, any query you got? Anyone? Someone was asking a query, right?
Sir, it always returns only 0 or 1, sir.
Which, okay, this one you're talking, yeah. So true means 1, false indicates 0, only 2
Zero.
values. So true indicates 1, false means 0, only 0 or 1, right? Run module, check this. True means Boolean, okay, integer, converted to integer, yes. Fine. Now that is what typecasting. You can convert any type to any other type. You can convert any type, any other type, right?
Sir, Boolean to string, sir, just it will become true or false. That's it, sir.
Which one?
Boolean to string.
Boolean to string, you are saying.
Yes, sir.
Boolean to string, all, okay. K6. Oh, not all the cases, right? It won't work in all the cases. Converting a Boolean to string. Boolean to int, Boolean to string, control V, yes. So Boolean means TRUE to string str of X. So just you will get a string with double quotes. Okay. Run module. True only. String you got previously true as a Boolean value. Now tree string type.
In case of string to Boolean, sir,
What is it?
string to Boolean, like in reverse.
String to Boolean. That is also okay. Mm, converting a string to Boolean. TRUE, true. String to Boolean, TRUE within double quotes I kept. Now convert to Boolean type. True. True was a string converted to Boolean type, right? True only.
Sir, if we take hello or something like this.
Okay, you mean to say HELLO, right? So that's what I'm saying. All that for all the things, right? So just like previously we have discussed, for all the things it returns true only.
Then when does false return, sir?
So generally in real time we won't convert this string to Boolean, right? No,
Yes.
there is
So we
no use.
convert it
There is
Sir, give us the example.
integers only, right? Integers converted to Boolean, but Boolean converted to integer, but strings we won't convert to Boolean types.
Okay.
But
So
only
sometimes we use for name checking also.
so if you want to, you need to say true only, no other choice. If you say false, what you will get? False means what you are thinking. False means, do you think false you will get?
No, sir, true.
True only will get. So there is no use case for this, right? True only true is the only value. Okay, that is what typecasting, right? Only convert integer to float, float to integer, string to int, float to string, and Boolean, right? But string to Boolean, these things won't be done. Next, operators in Python. Operators in Python, right? Yes. We have got operators like arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, arithmetic, comparison, logical, assignment, identity operators, right? Identity operators, right? Membership operators, arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical, assignment, identity, membership, and bitwise operators. Okay. First one, arithmetic operators. For performing arithmetic operations, these are used for performing arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operators for performing what? Arithmetic operations. Various arithmetic operators are first one, addition operator plus multiplication. There are three types of division operators. Multiplication means star. Division operators, there are three types. Division, floor division, floor division, modulo division. Modulo division, right? Yes. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo division, right? Yes. What is the difference between these three? And also you have got one more like exponent. Exponent means double star. Division means, yes, anyone? Returns? Returns?
Float
Quotient,
value.
quotient with float.
Float.
With decimals. Float division means returns quotient without decimals. Without decimals. Returns remainder. Modulo division means returns remainder. Okay. I'm keeping all this in comments, right? Single multi-line comments in Python. Start with triple quote, end with triple quote. X is 10, Y is 4. X value 10, Y value 4. Addition equal to X plus Y. Print add equal to. X minus Y. Difference equal to comma SUB. Multiplication equal to X into Y. Product equal to comma MUL. Division X by Y. division equal to div. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Modulo division equal to x. Okay, floor division first. Floor div equal to, yes, floor div equal to x floor division y. Print floor div equal to floor equal to comma floor div. Exponent equal to x to the power of 5, 10 to the power of 4. And here modulo division also, right? Print mod div mod modulo division equal to x modulo division y. Print, yes, mod modulo division equal to comma mod div mod div, right? Yes, modulo division mod div equal to mod div. Print mod div equal, okay. Yes, similarly, right? Exponent exp x to the power of 5. Print exp. Print exponent equal to, yes, exp equal to comma exp, right? Exponent x to the power of 5 exp equal to exp, right? Yes. Now just observe this output, save it first. Letters, right? Arithmetic operators, right? Yes. Okay, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulo division, and exponent. Just observe these outputs. Run module. So 10 plus 4, 10 minus 4, 10 into 4, 10 by 4 means with the decimals. Floor division without decimals, 10 by 4 means remainder. 4 2s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 will be the remainder, 10 to the power of 4, right? If you want to see more on these 3 types of division operators, right? 3 types of division, print 10 by 3, you can say, right? Print 10 by 3, print 10 floor division 3, print modulo division 3. Observe these 3, right? 10 by 3, 10 floor division 3, 10 modulo division 3, right? Yes, run module, check this. Yes, 10 by 3, 3.333 with decimals, floor division without decimals, this is with a remainder, right? Okay. But I doesn't want this many decimal parts in this, right? I want only 2 decimals. 3.3333. I doesn't want this many decimals, only 2 decimals. Means there is a function called round function, ROUND, round function, to round the result of this 10 by 3 comma 2 decimals, right? Round the result of 10 by 3 into 2 decimals. That's it. Run module. 3.33, right? Rounding this result of this 10 by 3. If you want to see more on this round,
short and crisp. இல்ல பாயிண்ட் நம்பர் 1 நான் பார்த்தேன் நீங்க அட்மின் ஆக்கியிருந்தீங்க என்னையும் அஜித் சக்தியும் இல்ல ஓகே பீப்புள்
please be in mute, right? I'm getting sounds from someone. X equal to 76.67843. 67483. Yes, X is what? X is a numeric, X is a value 76. Now say print round of X. Round of X into, yes, round of X into 4 decimals. 4 decimals means, right? 1 2 3 4, 4 decimals. Round of X into 4 decimals. 6748 only. You will get the same value, 6748. $76.6748. But if I want to round up into 3 decimals, right? The same thing. Save it, Control C, and what will be the output? If I round up into 3 decimals, comma 3. 6 7
4.
6 7 5, it will be 6 7 5.
Okay.
The next digit 8 is above 5, 1 will be added to the previous one. Previously 3 was less than 5, nothing will be added. 675. Okay. X comma 3, X comma 4. X comma 4 means this. X comma 3, 6, 7, 4. Now print. Okay, just observe this. Into 2 decimals. What is the output?
6, 7.
6, 7 only, right? Into 1 decimal. Everyone try to answer into 1 decimal.
6.
76 point
7.
76.7. Just say round off X.
77, sir.
77, because 6 is above 5, 1 will be added to it. Yes, run model, check this. Round up into 3 decimals, 675. Into 2 decimals, 6, 7 only. Round up into 1 decimal, 7. Round up into, right, 77. Okay. Arithmetic operations, right? Arithmetic operations. Observe this, right? Yes. You can just interact in this interactive mode, right? For what is 10 by 3 output? 10 flow division 3 output. Interactive mode, this one. 10 modulo division 3. 1. 0 divided by 3. Valid or not valid? 3 zeros are 0. 0 will be the output, right? 3 zeros are 0, right? Three divided by 0 is not valid. You cannot divide 3 by 0. But 0 can be divided by 3. Round of X comma 1 means here 1 decimal only I want. 7 is there above 5. 1 will be added to 6. 76.7 will be the output. 76.7. Into 1 decimal, right? Yes. Now next is performing arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations on integer and yes. Arithmetic operations on integer. Okay. Int and float, right? Int and float. Print 10 plus 3.3. Print 10 minus 3.3. Ten into 3.3. 10 plus 3.3, 10 minus 3, 10 into 3.3, 10 by, okay, 10 by 3.3, right? Yes. Print 10 floor division 3.3. Ten plus 3.3, 10 minus 3.3, 10 into 3.3, yes. 10 by 3.3, yes. 10 modulo division 3.3. 10 modulo division 3.3, right? 10 exponent 10 to the power of 3.3, is it valid? So all these are valid, right? Just run module. Ten plus 3.3, 10 minus 10 into 10 by, so all this, right? All these are valid. Now, for example, is it valid? Can I say like this? Print 4.5 plus true, is it valid? Float and Boolean values. Is it valid? Float and Boolean.
Yes, sir.
What is the output? 4.5 plus 2, is it valid? Everyone. 5.5 you will get. True means 1, right? You will get the output as 5.5. 5.5, right? Yes. Four 4.5 minus 2.
3.5.
3.5.
3.5.
Print 5 into false. What is output?
0.
0. Print, can I say like 2 Boolean values, true plus true, is it valid? What is output?
2.
2, right? Can I say like print, now see this. Arithmetic operations on integer and string. On intent string. Can I say hello into 3?
Three time hello. Yes, sir.
It gives the output hello 3 times.
3 times.
Print 3 into hello, is it valid?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Both are A into B and B into A results the same output, right? Yes.
Yes.
Hello into 3, 3 times hello, 3 into hello, prints hello for 3 times, right? Okay, now just observe, print hello plus 3. Hello plus 3, right? Yes. Is it valid? Hello plus
No.
3, hello plus 3 or 3.5?
No, sir.
One string, one integer can't be added. Two strings can be added. Two integers can be added, but one string, one integer. So if you want a gap between, okay. So first observe this, I'll come back to that query. So this is Ajay Dubey. Ajay Dubey, be in mute. So we can only concatenate string to string, but not with integer, right? Yes, this is not valid. But can I say like print hello plus print HELLO hello plus, is it valid?
Yes.
Yes,
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Run module.
it gives hello 3.
Hello 3.
Hello.
Can I say like print hello plus HELLO hello plus str of 3? Can I say?
Plus str. Yes.
This hello, you need to close the double quotes here, right? str of 3. 3 is an integer, convert to string and add that to hello.
Yeah.
Right? Valid. This is also valid. So this is regarding arithmetic operations, right? Addition, subtraction, multiplications, division, and float division, and also performing arithmetic on intent float, on float and boolean, arithmetic operations on intent string. Right. And this thing. So arithmetic comparison, logical assignments, identity, membership, bitwise, different types of operators, right? So the other operators we'll discuss in the next session, right? Yes. And one thing, tomorrow is Wednesday, day after tomorrow is Thursday, right?
Yeah.
So Thursday also we'll have 2 hours class. Thursday means day after tomorrow also you'll have class from 7 to 9.
Okay.
7 to 9. But tomorrow I am conducting a workshop. I won't be available. So I'm conducting a workshop on PySpark, Spark with Python, right? So it will be late for me. So tomorrow I cannot make up for, so tomorrow there is no class. Day after tomorrow again, we'll go with 7 to 9, 2 hour session, right? Fine. So the day after tomorrow, yes. So still anyone have not enrolled, right? Can get enrolled with this course, right? So day after tomorrow, you will get, just check your mails. You will get a new link, right? It's tomorrow, day after
Sir,
tomorrow.
tomorrow class will run out now.
Tomorrow there is no class, I'm saying. Day after tomorrow, we'll meet again at 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock, 2 hours class will be there. So that's what I'm taking extra session day after tomorrow. And link will be changed. You will get a new link to your mail IDs. And also I'll post in the WhatsApp group, right? Yes. So still, if anyone not enrolled, just get enrolled so that you'll get, and the whatever link you are getting on that Thursday, right, day after tomorrow, that link you will be following up to the end of the course. Fine. Okay.
Sir, a request, please share notes and videos also,
Okay.
because I didn't receive any videos or notes.
Nobody has received the videos. Are you not getting the videos?
Sir, we are unable to download the video actually from Drive.
Downloadable option won't be given. Only you can view that videos.
Sir, for how long? Actually, if someone wants to see the videos after 6 months of gap, are they available on the same platform?
So here, up to 6 months, you can view the videos.
Okay.
Up to 6
Hi,
months.
sir.
Yes.
This is Sirisha. We already paid the fees, but we didn't get the link.
So with link means what is that? Okay.
Like you said, you will get another link, right?
So no,
If
no.
you
Yeah,
any link,
tomorrow
we
evening you will be check your mails, right? Everyone you will be getting that link.
okay.
Tomorrow evening
Thanks.
you will get a new link. Means day after tomorrow's class. And
Sir,
videos you can check in your Google Drive, right? Everyone check your Google Drive. Shared with me option will be there. In that videos are shared.
It is up to 7th only. 8th or 9th date videos are not available.
8th and 9th.
Sir, if I don't get any link, whom do I need to
So
contact?
8th is Sunday, right?
yes, sir.
Yes.
8th is Sunday. There is no class, right?
Sir, if
9th
possible,
is
share notes. Sir, if possible, share notes over WhatsApp.
okay. So yes, I'll be forwarding the notes to you. And videos you can check in your Google Drive, right? Everyone check your Google Drive. And videos will be forwarded by the online team, not by me. All the videos, they'll be forwarded by the online team. And notes I'll be forwarding to your mail IDs, right? So mail IDs, they'll be forwarding me, right? The mail IDs by today or tomorrow morning, I'll take the mail IDs of yours. Tomorrow you'll be getting all the notes of what we have discussed, right?
Okay, sir.
After completing course 6 months, then up to 6 months delay.
So from here onward, 6 months, right? You can access the videos.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, I'm stopping here. We'll continue
Please,
on.
yesterday class videos.
So we'll meet on Thursday, right? 7 o'clock.
Yeah, good evening.
Okay.
Bye bye.